Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Tricks for Study. In previous video we studied about basics of physics. In this video we will study about units and measurement. I'm super excited to start this journey with you all, so stick around for some amazing content. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Let's get started. Units and measurement. Let us look at the content that we will study in this video. Introduction. Classification of physical quantity. Units and its types. Systems of units. SI prefixes. Standards of length, mass and time. Errors in measurement and its types. Significant figures and rules. Rounding off the uncertain digits. Dimensions of physical quantities. Applications and limitations of dimensional analysis. Let us start with introduction. Physical quantity. In simple words, the physical quantity is any quantity that can be measured. Or all those quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly in terms of which the laws of physics can be expressed. Examples: length, mass, time, force, etc. A physical quantity can be classified into 1. Fundamental quantity. Quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. For examples: mass, length, time, etc. 2. Derived quantity. Quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. For examples: force, velocity, area, volume, etc. Note: 1. Scalar quantity means which have only magnitude, no direction. For examples: length, time, work, energy, etc. 2. Vector quantity means which have magnitude as well as direction. For examples: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. Next is units. Measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with a certain basic, arbitrarily chosen, internationally accepted reference standard called unit. Types of units. Fundamental units. Units which are independent of other units and are used to define all other units. For examples: meter, second, kilogram, Kelvin, mole, ampere and candela. 2. Derived units. Units which are derived from the fundamental or base units. For examples: area, volume, velocity, force, etc. Now look at systems of units. A complete set of the fundamental units and derived units is known as the system of units. Here mainly 4 types of system of units are there. They are: 1. CGS system. Means centimeter, gram and second. 2. MKS system. Means meter, kilogram and second. 3. FPS system. Means foot, pound and second. 4. SI system. Means system international or international system of units. In this table we can know the system of units on basis of length, mass and time. For CGS system. Here length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram and time is measured in second. Similarly, for MKS system, length is in meter, mass is in kilogram and time is in second. For FPS system, length is in foot, mass is in pound and time is in second. SI system. In SI system here are 7 fundamental or base units and 2 supplementary units. Base units. Let's see the base quantity, SI unit name and symbols. Length. SI unit name is meter with symbol small m. Mass. SI unit name is kilogram with symbol kg. Time. SI unit name is second with symbol s. Electric current SI unit name is ampere with symbol capital A. Temperature. SI unit name is Kelvin with symbol K. Amount of substance SI unit name is mole with symbol mol. Luminous intensity. SI unit name is candela with symbol CD. Supplementary quantity. There are 2 supplementary quantity. 1. Plane angle. SI unit name is radian with symbol RAD. 2. Solid angle. SI unit name is steradian with symbol SR. I am ending this session here. Part 2 of this topic will upload soon. I hope you enjoy what you see. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Thank you.